Diomande for 100 million. Liverpool, you guys have come again. No? Diomande 100 million. From where to where? A player that just had his breakout season just last season, and he's worth over 100 million. It's like the money you people have been spending is not enough. You bought a sack, nothing to show. You bought Florian Wirtz, nothing to show. You are just splashing money everywhere. Now, Diomande, 100 million. Okay. But meanwhile, Casemiro is going to Inter Miami to join Lionel Messi. And for me, that will be a very, very fantastic move to Inter Miami. Follow us for more analysis, transfer news, and predictions. Download Shawmaster. Shaw and the Gap Master. Shawmaster on Play Store. Thank you.